Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have S.G. Lewis here for the first time, I believe, on this channel with a song called Lifetime. A great song, and if you love some cute love story about how it can be in life with some happy endings, watch this music video. It's fun and fun to play as well. That's great. So let's start. Enough talk now. We have this K preset here on the first fret, and with that we have 4 chords, and the hardest part for the song is to get the rhythm right. I'm gonna show technically how to strum, and you need to practice and get the feeling for the song. That's the challenge here. But yeah, let's go over the chords first. We have C, so that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Next chord will be B minor 7, so that's a bar chord. You need to place a bar here on the second fret from the A string and down, so 5 strings from bottom and up. And the rest will be 4th on D and 3rd on B. Yeah, next chord, E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord we need to know is A minor 7. So that is open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Okay, so first the chord progression will be C, B minor 7, E minor, A minor 7, and back to B minor 7. That is the chord progression, okay? And that will be through the entire song. We're gonna play exactly the same way through the entire song. Now for the hardest part, it will be the strumming. It's very easy. It's just the downs and ups and claps and all that. The rhythm here is what is challenging. So we're gonna play one full strumming round first, so you get the idea of how it should sound, and then I'm gonna divide it into different chords here. But one full chord progression will sound like this. Okay, so that is first C, and we'll play down, clap, down, up, clap. Okay, so that's the rhythm for this. So down, clap, down, up, clap. Okay, then we switch to B minor 7, and you're just gonna play down, up, clap. Okay, and for this down up clap, you have some space between the down and up, so a short pause, you can say, like this. Okay, so together with C, it will be like this. Okay, let's go over to the E minor, because that was it for the B minor this time. And for the E minor, it will be played in the same way. So C, clap, down, up, clap, E. Okay, so you play same rhythm for B minor as the E minor, and you play in the same way. Okay, so far, down, clap, down, up, clap, down, up, clap, down, up, clap. Okay. Then we switch to the A minor 7, and it will be like this. So that is first down, clap, down, up, clap. So everything there will be pretty much right after each other. So down, clap, down, up, clap. And then you're gonna play another down, up, clap still on A minor, but this one is between D, down and up, a short pause there, in the same way as you play the B minor 7 and E minor. So down, up, clap. Okay, so the A minor first goes down, clap, down, up, clap, and then down, up, clap. Okay, so like this. Okay, and then we play the final chord, which was the B minor 7, and here you're gonna play just down up clap with this shorter pause between the down and up again. So, and that's it actually. All right. So I'm gonna take you through this one round a little bit slower so you really get the idea of what we're doing here technically, how we're playing. And then I'm gonna give you a couple rounds of somewhat the standard tempo or so, just for you to get the rhythm right, all right? So let's look at first the slower tempo with the technical downs and ups and claps. So that is how you do it. So with some standard tempo, a couple rounds of this, let's go. Need some practice, but I think you will get it if you listen to the song and compare playing to it. So good luck with this one, guys. S.G. Lewis, great song, Lifetime. So till next time, play tuned.